Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the S8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, and of course, it is a smartwatch loaded with Bluetooth call as well as message notification function. Okay, so we are going to try and test this if it works. Okay, especially for the Bluetooth call. Okay, we are going to connect our support app and try if we can receive an app notifications as well as SMS notification. Okay, so we're going to have a demo of the S8 Ultra Smartwatch Bluetooth call, SMS, and app notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially this video demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready now. Okay, so we are already paired with a support app, as you can see here. Okay, we are paired with a HRY Fine application. As you can see here, we are connected. Okay, so let's try. We are still connected. Okay, we are connected. To be able to receive SMS notifications, you have to set permissions here in the message reminder. So let's see. So seems like everything is okay. When we install the support app, okay, we already accepted the permissions. As you can see, we have SMS. What else? We have the WhatsApp here reminder. This is the application that we'll try later on. Okay. So what else do we have here? Okay, in the settings, I guess the phone book, I think. We have here the phone book. Okay. So you can add your number. Later on, we are going to try that. Okay. So let's send a message with our other phone here. Let's send a message here to this smartwatch. Okay. So as you can see here, the display is automatically off. Okay. Let's see if we'll have a pop-up message when we send an SMS message. Okay. So let's try here an SMS message. Okay. So S8 Ultra. As you can see, we have some previous messages here. S8 Ultra SMS test. Okay, so let's try. Okay, screen off. Let's see. We'll have a notification. Okay, SMS sent. Okay, so there's a delay on the message. Okay, so we have it here. S8 Ultra SMS test. Okay, so let's see if we can still see the message. Okay, so it works. Let's have another one. Let's have another message. Let's put a smiley and see if it works. Okay, we have here a smiley emoticon. Okay, so there's a bit of delay on the message right now. Okay, it's okay. So let's have another message. As you can see here, doesn't support emoticon, but we have the message is categorized setting, as you can see here. Okay, so it works with a SMS notification. Okay, how about the app notification? So let's try. Okay, so we have here the WhatsApp application. Let's tap on it. Okay, S8 Ultra. WhatsApp. Okay, again, let's see. Hopefully we do have an icon for the WhatsApp application. So we'll know if it's from the application WhatsApp or SMS. Let's send. Okay. I guess there's really a delay on the network. Okay, so we have here S8 Ultra. What's up? As you can see, we do have here an icon. Okay, nice. Again, let's see if it's categorized here. Yes, we do have here. Okay, the message. Tap on it. You can read. Go back. Tap. You can read. Back. You can read. Let's see if we can delete the message. Okay, so you have an option to delete it. And that's it. Okay, what if you call from the WhatsApp application? Let's see. I guess you will only receive a call notification. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, incoming voice calls. Okay, you can't answer it from the smartwatch, but you can see that someone is calling you. You'll receive a notification. Okay, as you can see here. Nice. Okay, so everything works. SMS and app notification. I guess we have to test the Bluetooth call now. Okay. So as you can see here, we don't have any contacts here. Okay. So let's add a contact. Okay, so we have here the phone book. But as you can see here, when I try the dial here or the contacts, it says cannot operate without phone. Guess we have to set it here. Okay, go to your Bluetooth connectivity. More settings. If this is happening, okay, it's impossible for you to use the Bluetooth call. Okay, as you can see, we already activated it here, but it's not working. So I don't know if this is the one or this one. I guess we have to use this one. It's an Ultra 8. Let's see. If not, we have to activate this one also. Okay, it's now pairing. Let's see. So allow access to contact to your contacts and call history. Pair. Okay, so we are active. As you can see here, phone calls, media, and contact sharing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, in our smartwatch. Okay, let's see if we still see the cannot use Bluetooth call without phone. Cannot operate without phone. Okay, still we have the notification. I guess we have to add the other one. More settings. Rarely use. I think this is the one. Okay. Pair. Let's remove this one. Maybe this is the not the connectivity. Okay, let's go back. Okay, as you can see here, please add contacts by the app. So it works now. Okay, so it's the watch audio, not the Ultra 8. Maybe it's from other smartwatches that we have. Okay, and of course, going back to the app, go to phone book. Okay, let's add. Tap on add here. Okay, you have an option to input or choose. Okay, let's just use the input. Let's try. Tap on input. Okay, so add contact. So here we have the contacts. Okay, so let's use this one. Okay, let's add the number here. Name. Okay, the number. Okay. Zero 96961 58399. Okay, just tap on OK. Then okay. Okay, as you can see here, synchronizing contacts. Please wait. Okay, so it's activated here or push to our smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. Contacts. Okay, we have it here. Successfully synchronize our phone number. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's call this smartwatch. Okay, with this phone. Okay, can we receive a call notification or a Bluetooth call? Okay, wait. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, we are okay. We are receiving a call notification, so you can answer or deny calls. Okay, and the call. Okay, so let's see if we do have a call record here. So as you can see here, we have a call logs. Okay, so far it works. Let's try about the dial app here. Okay, so let's try the number here. Okay, wait. Okay, so let's call the number. Contacts. So this one. Okay, so let's dial number 0. Okay, 0969615839. Okay, dial the number. Okay, so it is now calling the number. Okay, as you can see here, someone is calling. Okay, and the call. Okay, so far it works for the Bluetooth call. The last one, let's try to call the number, or let's try to answer. Okay, so for the contacts, it also works as you can see here. You can call. Okay, so it works. Okay, let's try to answer a call. Okay, I'm excited to see if the Bluetooth call works. Okay, okay, let's call this number. Okay, I'm going to call this number. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, I can receive it here. Okay, let's try to answer. How to answer this? Okay, hello. Okay, the Bluetooth call works. Okay, so as you can see here, we receive a call here. Okay, outgoing calls. Okay, or we dial the call there and we receive a call here. Okay, let's check. Okay, recent call, incoming calls, as you can see here. Okay, so 7 seconds the call. Okay, let's see the call logs again. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so as you can see, the SMS, the app notifications, as well as the Bluetooth call, okay, with its features, dial, contacts, and call logs, works, okay, in the S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so everything works for this wearable. Okay, so far it's a pretty decent feature for the S8 Ultra smartwatch, and of course it's very affordable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the Bluetooth call, please try to drop a comment below, okay? Ask some questions, and of course, we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.